In the fast-paced world of industrial automation, CKT Drone is your premier pioneer in advanced unmanned systems. From our strategic hubs in Shenzhen and Hong Kong, we deliver robust, industrial-grade UAV solutions built for the most demanding global environments. Introducing the CKT FPV fiber optic spool system, the ultimate breakthrough in unjammable, long-range aerial connectivity. By replacing vulnerable RF links with a high-strength physical tether, it delivers 100% anti-jamming video and control signals with zero latency. No interference, no spoofing. Featuring our proprietary Glueless Precision Tension winding technology, the ultra-slim single-mode fiber deploys smoothly without sticking, snagging, or snapping. Ruggedized to perform from -40 to +60 degrees Celsius, with customizable lengths from 2 to 60 kilometers. It is engineered perfectly for tactical defense, public safety, and complex indoor or industrial inspections. Empower your operations with next-generation unmanned systems. Discover the future today at cktdrone.com.